At first glance, this huge, hip-roofed former kidney bean processing plant in the hamlet of North Rose, near the shores of Lake Ontario in western New York, appears rather ordinary. But there is magic here, and it starts with that rail crossing signal and a sign reading North Rose Railroad Company. Meet Gary Poole, creator of this railroad empire in miniature. He explains it all began about 15 years ago.
One day we went to Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, and I went to Strasburg, went to the Choo Choo Barn, and that's when I saw all the smiles on the little boys and little girl faces, and I said, I can do something like that.
In the years since then, Gary has lovingly handcrafted a fantastic mini world of Lionel-sized trains and the scenery and people to go with them. He has amassed over 100 engines, both diesel and steam, and an even larger selection of rail cars of all types, including many personalized with the North Rose Railroad Company name. One of the many sections of this layout is devoted to a circus and carnival theme, complete with a moving parade, various rides, and so much more. One standout feature of this section, 2 built-to-scale working roller coasters. Covering at least 15,000 square feet of the first floor of this building, in which, by the way, Gary has carved out an apartment as well, this massive layout features over 2 miles of guardrails track. To better handle one of the larger sections of this big layout, a one-of-a-kind transformer panel has been created. It pumps out 124 amps of 17-volt AC power. Not surprisingly, the longer a visitor spends gazing on the wonder of all of this, the more details become apparent. Features such as this helix allow trains to run from near the floor to near the ceiling on some parts of this display. And the rich and varied details in this display are going to lead you to near sensory overload.
Those are actual made in Pennsylvania. The tank cars, he just had them, or whatever you want to call them.
Drove them right off, you know, and those men in blue are really blue.
At the heart of it all, the creator of this wonderland stands with controller in hand, and even for him, it's a lot to watch.
I put through tours here every single week. I don't charge anything because this is the way that I can give back to society for a little bit of what I put.
Gary loves to share his creation with one and all, but he does want you to arrange a tour. You can contact him by email or give him a phone call. Huge thanks to Gary Poole for his dedication in keeping wonder alive and a willingness to share it with one and all.